Notification of my resignation from the All Progressives Congress APC. I kindly write to formally notify you of my resignation from the All Progressives Congress and declaration for the new Nigerian People's Party, NNPP. My resignation from the APC was born out of the marginalization of all major critical stakeholders and lack of internal democracy in the Kano State chapter of the APC, plus the total absence of the principle of inclusiveness in the affairs of the party and its government. Inclusiveness. Order, please, order. Plus the total absence of the principle of inclusiveness in the affairs of the party and its government at all levels. All efforts. How can you hear what I'm saying if you, when you are making noise? The opposition, please, if you want to hear what I'm reading, listen very attentively. Listen in silence. All efforts to resolve the long protracted crisis in the state in the last 2 years, including the involvement of the national headquarters of the APC, failed due to the non-cooperation of the Kano State governor and party leadership in the state. Consequently, after due consultation with like minds and millions of our supporters in the state, we decided to withdraw our membership of the APC and move to the new Nigeria People's Party. Accept, please, my fraternal goodwill and continued cooperation at all times. Signed, Senator Ibrahim Shekarau, CON, PEN, Sardauna Kano, representing Kano Central Senatorial District. Please. Please, Chief Whip, give him a seat. Distinguished colleagues, let me say this. The Senator Ibrahim Shekarau has come to NNPP. Just hold on, please. Senator Ibrahim Shekarau knows very well and exactly what PDP is. So, please. So please. So please, Senate Chief Whip, you find an appropriate seat for the distinguished Senator Ibrahim Shekarau. You walk, just hold on. You should work with the Senate Minority Whip to find an appropriate seat for Senator Ibrahim Shekarau.